Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade broth. First, gather your ingredients like bones, vegetables, and aromatics. Next, prepare them by chopping vegetables and rinsing bones. Then, combine everything in a large pot with cold water. Finally, you will gently simmer the mixture for several hours to extract all the wonderful flavors. This simple process yields a delicious and versatile base for many dishes. For a robust broth, select a mix of bones, such as chicken carcasses or beef marrow bones. Incorporate aromatic vegetables like 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion, roughly chopped. Fresh parsley stems, a few bay leaves, and 10 to 15 black peppercorns will enhance the flavor. Always cover all your ingredients completely with cold water to ensure a clear and flavorful broth. The key to great broth is a gentle simmer, not a vigorous boil, which can make it cloudy. As it heats, skim off any foam that rises to the surface during the first hour. For a basic vegetable or chicken broth, simmer for at least 4 hours. If you are making a rich bone broth, you can let it gently simmer for up to 24 hours to extract maximum nutrients and flavor. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all solids. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to storage containers. You can refrigerate your homemade broth for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze it in convenient portions, like 1 cup or 2 cup measurements, for several months of delicious use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.